Okay, so I'm going to work on the drawing that consists of construction of an angle of 45 degree. So you're saying that you don't understand, you want to make that arc the way they did it. So now, respect to when you're drawing on your paper, let me make this clear. If you're using a book and biro paper to draw, you need all that to make your work accurate. But before you're using a computer aided design software, it doesn't need to shows that he needs all those things. Those you have to put those things in place due to the fact that it's meant for people that is drawing on papers, like someone that want to begin like a beginner. So if you say you want to understand a bit how they got that, I have to show you now. Now I'll start with a line. We'll pick this line. We'll pick 100. We'll type 100. Make a 100. Let's from this point to this point. 100. So enter. Pick center line. Okay. First of all, let's get the center line. Let's get it, how they got the center line through arc. So now this is it. So make a radius of 100. Radius of 100. So then get that another circle again. Get the radius of 100. Now this is an intersection. This is how axis is being formed. You get it now? Done. So now let me exclude this out of this place. Let's make it look like an arc. So now take this point to this point here. Let's make this point now. Now pick that point out of that place. So I'll get a center line. This is our midpoint. So pass it through. So we take 100. So you can see it. If I zoom this thing to the utmost zoom, it will be at the middle of it. You can see it. It's at the midpoint of it. Let me zoom out. So now I've got this. Now let me remove what I don't need from the drawing. Let me select. Let me click on it. Click on the circle. Click on this. Click on this. Click on this also. Alright, click. So I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Click out of it. Enter. Click this. Erase. Don't need it. Now I've gotten out angle 90 through that point. Now we want to get the angle 45. Respect, I said it once again. It's a computer aided design software, so we don't need to go that far due to the fact that all this have already been created for us here. You can see it has been created, so you don't need it. All this has been created for you to track, to put what you want to make, angle you want to create. Do that. If there's some angle you are not able to get there's another tricks that I can teach to get that. Like now, how to make angle 45 from this point. So I will now say, okay, let me say I use 100, then I click comma, then I say, if it does, you're looking at the command line, I say less, then now type 45 degree. That angle that you see there is because we use angle the 45 degree. If I click enter, sorry, didn't work out. 100 less 45 degree. Okay. So it went this way, downwards, must be upward. Went downward. So let's use this way. Let's make this way. So let's make the angle let's make an angle of 45 degree from this. So we go back here. Sorry. Go back here, circle. Hit this point again. Hit this point. From this point now, let's say picking 100. Let me pick 100. Let me pick 100 from this point. Pick 100 all the way this way. This from this point. Pick RT, let me say 40. Then 40 from this way. At this point here, say we make it 40. We make it 50. Then at this point here, make it 50. So we'll go to an intersection here. Get to this point. So we've got now angle 45 through this point. You can see. So go erase. So erase this. Here. Let's make that arc visible first of all. Make it arc visible. So it will not be interrupted. I sorry for that. I was when I click on delete. You can likewise use the erase key down up here to remove the excess if you don't mind. So let's extend this. Now, so if I use the smart dimension here, this dimension, to confirm if my angle is 45 degrees, I click here, then I click so here. Go this way. You want to confirm this is angle 90, click here, click also here, go this way. So if you zoom in, you get see it angle 90. So on this end, see it angle 90. So why this is becoming this form? So we should try. So let me edit the format of this so that it should stop showing tiny. It's annotation. So it's not very good dimension. Okay. Modify this text height. So let's make it 3.